everybody knows about the body's nervous system. It's basically bringing in information from various parts of your body into the brain for the brain to take that information, compute it, do stuff with it, etc., etc. Basically, the CAN bus, or a controller area network bus, as it's properly known, does exactly the same thing. It basically takes information from various sensors on a machine, whether that's a pressure sensor, RPM sensor, or fuel level, anything like that, and just communicates that to the brain or the ECU engine controller unit or BCU body controller unit. There's various different protocols that it uses. We primarily work with J1939 because that tends to be what industrial engines and transmissions use. But for example, marine environments use NMEA 2000 a lot. You'll also hear about CAN Open, which is a similar CAN bus. Car automotive tends to be OBD2. It's basically all the same principle. It's just like different language. So you could equate one talking French instead of German or something like that. It's basically broadcasting the same information, just different formats. And like you said, basically it just allows multiple devices to communicate to that central computer. It simplifies wiring, because whereas before you would have every sensor coming back up to the control panel in your machine, now you can just have 2 wires going around the machine, and you just connect a sensor to that, and then it's called a bus because it's effectively like a bus route. That information is just going round and round. So basically everything connected to it has access to that information.